Looks like I just woke up. I didn't. I've been up for hours. In fact, I went to go play with elephants today. But the climate, it's just like so humid here that like my hair is like back to its lovely frizzy self. So pardon the look. But we went to, what was the official title? Green Elephant Sanctuary Park. We went to the Green Elephant Sanctuary Park here on Phuket Island in Thailand. Totally amazing. It's like this ethical place where they, like, you can't ride them. This is not like some circus place. It's like they have these like acreages on this mountainside and these elephants get to roam free and stuff. But we got to feed them bananas. Like, it was a laundry basket half full of bananas. It was really cool. And they had that for each elephant. And so we got to like pass it to them. You hold it like this rather than go like this, but I still did that both ways. And when I went like this, they'd like wrap their trunk around your hand.